VersaPower and Smart VersaPower. As said in the introduction, VersaPower technology allows to use the whole available output power as required. By default, a symmetrical distribution is assigned, but you can change it as needed to adapt the power of each loudspeaker line of your project. Smart VersaPower is the tool that allows you to easily assign the required maximum RMS power to each output. Let's have a closer look. You can introduce the desired maximum RMS power and the gain will be adjusted accordingly. You are also able to adjust sensitivity. The maximum peak power will be twice the maximum RMS power, except if we get close to the limits. What does this mean? Let's see it in an example. In this example, in output 1 we have 200 watts maximum RMS power and 400 as maximum peak power. In output 2 we have 500 watts maximum RMS power and 1000 as maximum peak power. In output 3 we have the same as in output 1. Why in output 4 is the same value for maximum and peak power? Because it's the amplifier module limit for an 8 ohm load. Then you may wonder, which are the module's limits referenced to the loads? Here we see a table of the amplifier module limits per channel. In the case of a VIDA 24Q, this means that in an 8 ohm load we can have a maximum of 1400 watts. And in the rest of the channels we can have 1000 watts distributed as we want because we have a total of 2400 watts. Pay attention that the maximum power that can be assigned to a 4 ohm load in VIDA 48Q is 2600 watts. If you try to exceed the total amount of available power, 2400 for example, you will not be able to apply it until you are in the range. Let's imagine that Smart VersaPower is not activated in this example where we have 200 watts loudspeakers connected to every channel. Then the amplifier can deliver 2400 watts into one channel under certain circumstances. That is very dangerous for loudspeakers connected to it. Smart VersaPower helps you to work safely and protects the loudspeaker. If you don't use Smart VersaPower, we strongly recommend adjusting the output limiters in the processing section to work safely.